Hello aspirants, this is Sanjay Sen. We have brought the IFCO IGT 2019 solved paper for you. We tried our best and searched for various answer sources. If you found it helpful for you, then please subscribe my channel and show your support by like the video and share to your contacts to encourage us to upload next part of this paper. If you found any mistake about any answer, write in the comment section below. Thank you. In duplicate chromosome aberration, if the additional chromosome segment is placed in a non-homologous chromosome, then it is called as tandem duplication, transport duplication, displaced duplication, paracentric inversion, and answer is displaced duplication. Second question, somatic embryos generate plants called as mutant, cloning, zygote, ambling, and answer is cloning. Question number third, which of the following type of aquifer is also known as water table aquifer? Artesian aquifer, purged aquifer, confined aquifer, non-artesian aquifer, and answer is purged aquifer. Question number 4. The response of the organism to environmental rhythms of light and darkness is referred to as photoeclipse, photoparadism, photophyton mechanism, topography. And answer is photoperiodism. Question number 5. Which of the following is required for a long-term sustainable agricultural extension system? World Bank funding, pilot projects, donor funding, public funding. And answer is public funding. Question number 6. Which chromosome model was proposed by Duprat on the basis of observations made on human chromosomes? Nucleosome solenoid, folded fiber, multi-stranded or molecular? And answer is folded fiber. Question number 7. Sunflower and buckwheat are examples of green legume manure, green leaf legume manure, green leaf non-legume manure, green non-legume manure, and answer is green leaf non-legume manure. Question number 8. Which of the following can be considered to be rubbish data that need not be kept? Outward correspondences made with suppliers, information about a supplier who has an active website, technical information cut out from a journal, and correspondence with bank. And answer is outward correspondences made with suppliers. Question number 9. Dash is the nematode that cause the blackhead disease in banana crop. Proteolyncus coffee, Heterodera oryzicola, Rhedophilus similus, Helicotylincus multicinctus. And answer is Rhedophilus similis. Question number 10. From the following, which does not belong to the methods of soil management practices? Clean cultivation, mowing, clean culture with cover crops, and sod. And answer is sod. Question number 11. Which of the following is one of the important fertilizers produced in India? Ammonium sulfate, ammonium nitrate, ammonium chloride, urea, and answer is urea. Question number 12. Which one of the following belongs to non-PCR molecular markers? Number 1 RAPD, number 2 RFLP, number 3 ALFP, and number 4 SSR. And answer is RFLP. Question number 13. Who coined the term mitosis? W. Fleming, J. E. Purkinje, J. B. Lamarck, and R. Hooke. And answer is W. Fleming. Question number 14. Which of the following is not a parasite? Fungi, nematode, protozoa, arthropods. And answer is arthropods. Question number 15. If a consumer purchases various quantities of goods or services due to the price change of related goods is called income demand, surplus demand, cross demand, price demand, and answer is price demand. Question number 16. Which of the following disease is not caused by polluted water and unsanitary conditions? Malaria, fluorides, cholera, hepatitis, and answer is hepatitis. Question number 17. Which one of the following belongs to fungal biopesticides? Trichoderma viridae, Sternema glacieri, Pyrethrum or Rhinia? And answer is Trichoderma viridae. Question number 18. Which one of the size reducer equipments accept feed particles less than 6 mm to get the output of definite size and shape? Crushers, grinder, ultrafine grinder, ultra grinder, and answer is ultrafine grinder. What happens when an excess amount of nitrogen fertilizer is introduced into the soil ecosystem? Soil decay, soil acidification, soil residues, microbial activity, and answer is soil acidification. Question 20. Which type of method is used for generating and storing the energy by burning the wood or garbage in the absence of oxygen under the temperature? Anaerobic digestion, landfill gas, pyrolysis, gasification, and answer is pyrolysis. Question number 21. In TI plasmid dash is responsible for virulence. Reason D, reason C, reason B, reason A, and answer is reason D. Question number 22. The number of possible genotype in diallelic genes is. You can get answer by this formula and answer is 3. Question number 23. Which of the following material are widely used for coating in iron and steel pipes to avoid corrosion? Tar and cement mortar, bitumen and asphalt, enamels and resin, paints and resin, and answer is paints and resin. Question number 24. Which of the following were microeconomics concerned with income, employment, consumer behavior, policy formulation, and answer is consumer behavior. Question number 25. Which survey techniques is easy and accurate to prepare survey plan on a small scale? Plan table survey, chain survey, compass survey, and labeling. And answer is chain survey. Question number 26. Which one of the following is called an inductive method in the economics investigation? Analytical, abstract, a priori, empirical, and answer is empirical. Question number 27. From the following which does not belong to the post-harvesting handling of seeds? Threshing, seed selection, seed processing, drying, and answer is seed selection. Question number 28. From the following select the incorrect statement regarding the clonal selection in plants breeding. New genotypes can be obtained using the methods. Stability in the progeny of clones for various generations can be implemented for both the introduced and the local varieties, and Kufri Sahib potato variety is one of the its achievements, and answer is new genotypes can be obtained when using the method. Question number 29. Which of the following loan type will be disbursed to farmers to pay wages, investment credit, repayment credit, marketing credit, and production credit? And answer is repayment credit. Question number 30. Name the winter annual weed from the following: Commelina bengalensis, Bohevia erecta, Chinapodium album, and Alternanthera echinata. And answer is Chinopodium album. Question number 31. Which one of the transports cannot be stored used for the renewable energy sources? Non-electric vehicle, clean vehicle, green vehicle, PHEV. And answer is non-electric vehicle. Question number 32. Which of the following plants bear true flowers with stamens pistil or both with seed containing an embryo? Spermatophyta, gymnospermy, angiospermy, monocotyledon. And answer is angiospermy. Question number 33. Dash is called as the light sensitive part of Omnitidium. Pigment cell, Semper cells, rhabdome, crystalline cone. And answer is rhabdome. Question number 34. What is the purpose of the instrument tintometer? Measure the temperature in the water, measure the color in the water, measure the odor in the water, and measure the turbidity in water. And answer is measure the color in the water. So next question 35. Dash can help a producer in determining how much of a product is required to be produced. Factor product relationships, law of increasing returns, factor factor relationship, law of constant returns. And answer is factor product relationship. Question number 36. Which one of the following is an example of restorative crops? Brinjal, legumes, gingerly, sunflower. And answer is legumes. Question number 37. Which two different species belonging to the same genus produced the red plum in hybridization? Gossypium hirsutum into Gossypium arboreum. Triticum aestivum into Triticum durum. Lycopersicum esculentum into Pimpelliforum. Lycopersicum hirsutum into Lycopersicum esculentum. Answer Lycopersicum esculentum into Pimpinellifolium. Question number 38. The inoculation of the dash fungi in the banana plants resulted in higher amino acids in the root system and acted as a potential biocontrol agent for the worrying nematode. Pasturia penetrans, Poconia chlamydospira, Piclomyces lilicunus, arbuscular mycorrhizal. And answer is Piclomyces lilicunus. Question number 39. Weathering process in nutrient management capacious influence the availability of plant nutrient, soil fertilizer, water conservation, basic chemical materials. And answer is plant nutrient. Question number 40. Dash will help an agribusiness owner to decide on the cost of selling his business to prospective buyers. Turnover, assets, equity, liabilities. And answer is assets. Question number 41. Which one of the gas present in the biogas has composition value between 0 to 1%? Oxygen, carbon dioxide, nitrogen, hydrogen. And answer is hydrogen. Which variety of filiform antennae has the appearances of comb-like structure and longer on one side? Pectinate, serrate, clavate, cetaceous. And answer is passionate. Question number 43. Which of the following component of a farm pond is useful for letting out the excess water from the pond? Answer: storage area, earthen dam, mechanical spillway, emergency spillway. And answer is mechanical spillway. Question number 44. Which one of the option is incorrect about the generation of energy using gravitational fields from both the sun and the moon along with the earth rotation around its axis? And option is energy outcome of the sun in approx 2.2 times greater than the outcome of the moon. Power can be produced at low speed even at 1 minute per second, does not consume a lot of space and does not emit any weather gases, and green electricity is generated in this power plant? And answer is energy outcome of the sun in approx 2.2 times greater than the outcome of the moon. Question number 45. Which statement is true regarding the exchangeable acidity in the soil chemistry? Exchangeable acidity is derived from exchangeable Na3 plus cation. Exchangeable acidity is derived from exchangeable Ca3 plus cations. Exchangeable acidity is derived from exchangeable Al3 plus cations. Exchangeable acidity is derived from exchangeable Al3 plus anions. So answer is exchangeable acidity is derived from exchangeable Al3 plus cation. Question number 46. To which of the following assets the insurance cannot be covered? Machines, animal, husbandry projects, crops to some extent, and manpower. And answer is manpower. Question number 47. The soil in which the pores are interconnected and irregular in size and shape is tubular, vesicular, spongy soil, cellular soil. And answer is spongy soil. Question number 48. Which enzymes are produced when mushroom Pleurotus degrades part of the lignin present in corpith? Cellulose and lactose, amylase and lactose, cellulose and amylase, lactose and sucrose. And answer is amylase and lactose. Question number 49. Which one of the theorem states that the length of the dimension is directly proportional to the energy required to reduce the size of the material? Option is Cake, Rettinger, Bond, Heat Pump process. And answer is Rettinger. Question number 50. A farmer finds that when using two given input resources to obtain a given amount of product, any decrease in the amount of one input unit leads to increased use of other input units. Which of the following obtain best? And option is perfect substitutes, perfect complements. And answer is complements. So we done 50 questions.